Hello and welcome back to lesson 5, or not lesson 5, lesson 20. Let's get started. Number 1, what is value of 32 times 4? 32 times 4, what we want to do is set the multiplication. 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12. Remember, you're starting with the ones place first and then the tens. And there is no correct answer. What is this? Give me 1 second. Okay, I can guarantee you I'm 100% sure this time. These are all wrong. They're supposed to be answers 128. Okay, number 1, as long as you get an answer as 128, you're fine. Number 2, if a rectangle has a length of 8 inches and a width of 5 inches, what is its area? Okay, very simple. 8 times 5 is 40. Length times width, so answer should be C. Number 3, which of the following is equivalent to 0.45? 0.45 will also be 45 over 100. We can simplify this further. 45 over 100. What we can do is divide by 5 both sides. What we do here, that way you get 9. 9 times 5 is 40. 500 divided by 5 will be 20. Answer should be 9 over 20. C. Okay, clearly answer key is wrong because answers are showing different results. So if I get an answer wrong, I'm apologize in advance, but most likely not happening. If 30% of a number is 24, what is the number? 30% of a number, so they're asking if 30% or 0.3 of, let's say this number is x, is 24, they're asking find this number. What we can do here, we know 0.30 is also 3 over 10. What we can do here is multiply 10 over 3 on both sides. 10 over 3 here cancels out, and then what we want to do here is multiply 3 over 10 over 3. Cross multiply 80. X equals 80. B. Sam has twice as many marbles as Tim. I'm sorry, give me 1 second. 24. 12, 6, 7. 24 times 3, 4 times 2 is 12, 6, 7. Okay. Sam has twice as many marbles as Tim. Sam equals to T, basically. Tim has 15 marbles. How many marbles do I have altogether? If Tim has 15, we know Sam equals 30 because Sam has twice as many of Tim's. So 30 plus 15 should be 45B. What is the mean or average of the numbers 7, 9, 13, 15, and 16? 7 plus 9 is 16. 13 plus 15 should be 28. And let's see here. And we also have 16. 12, 20, 4, 5, 6. Answer should be 6. Nope, not 60 because we're finding average, remember? Average, add up everything, divide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a total of 5 data. 60 divided by 5 should be 12. Number 7. Maria has saved $18.75. She wants to buy bracelets that cost $3.25 each. What is the maximum number of bracelets she can buy? 18 divided by 75 divided by $3.25. Pro tip, when you're always working with decimals, you always want to move the decimals by 2. That way it makes life so much simpler. In this case, I cannot be doing it because my keyboard is very small. Anyways, let's get straight into this. Let's see. 8 times 2 is 20. I believe it should be let's see. Okay, in this case, I will be using Google. 19.5. Okay, answer is A. Everything 6, 7, and 8 is going to be too greater for you to handle. It just won't work. What is the value of 47? What is the value of 42 times 10 minus 7? You know 10 minus 7 is 3. That means 42 times 3 is left. Once again, the answer seems to just disappear. I don't know. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 12. Answer should be 126. These are all wrong. Number 9, a recipe calls for 23/4 cups of flour. If Sam wants to make half of the recipe, how much flour would he need? Okay, always when working in fraction, it will always become difficult. When working with fractions, you always want to keep in mind reciprocal. So we know this is your standard equation if Sam wants to make half of the recipe. But remember, when working with fractions, you want to have the standard rule of keep, change, flip, which means you want to keep this part, change the division sign to a fraction sign, and then you want to flip half into a 2. And then you can cross multiply. 1, 2. The answer should be 23/2. Why is there no answer? We don't have to necessarily cross multiply. 3 times 2 is 6, 46, 4. Should also be 46/4. Okay, anyways, the answer should be around 23/4. Okay, what is 30% of 150? What you can do here is multiply 30 and 150. This is a very good tip, almost like lifesaver. 150 times 3 would be 45. Answer is going to be B. And thank you for listening, and hope you have a fabulous day.